Level 4, we started with some connection exercises. You had to be there.
Where?
Then, we were seeing how little we had to work with connection, not as a verb, but more as a noun, finding out when we're using it. So one of the ways we did that was, we did some swing outs, where the followers let go of that hand. Woo.
Important to let go after the leader has led you in, and hold on again when they send you out. Otherwise, you will die.
Just feeling when we're using it, and for all the other times when we're holding hands, we don't need to use it so much.
Leaders or followers, let me chill in the middle. Here, it's just not saying a lot.
I want to pull myself in.
We try to avoid that.
Next, we talked about vectors and stuff.
That's right. So we want the followers to be going straight. When they're going straight, they often turn to face where they came from, and the catch is not as comfortable. If she was facing me a little bit more, I'd be catching her body better. Here, the shoulder kind of gets away from me. Another common thing that happens is that when we catch here, they have the correct orientation, but then they change where they're going, and again, they're going straight backwards. The shoulder I don't catch as well. If there's a little slightly diagonal catch, it feels good, you should do that. So, on the swing off, go a little something like this. That's what we're looking for. And then we just do a little walk. We just practiced walking, chill. And when you're walking, the followers try to walk slow the whole time, and the leaders will speed it up sometimes. So yes, my feet do speed up, but I have to actually move across the floor faster. And so it's this that I'm controlling more than my feet. And hey yo, hey yo. And it's totally good to do that in a social dance and just test your partner. So if you can do this, just make it a practice of a pound. You know, okay, let's try this. Test yourselves. See how clear you can be, leaders, followers, try not to guess. Now we're out.